Hello, I'm Jeremy, and today I wanted to show you guys how to plan when you're not very busy or you have nothing going on. So I wanted to show you guys how you can still use your planner even if the world is closed. So before we jump down into the top part, what I will be showing you is kind of a mix between what I actually do in my planner and then some ideas that you guys can add that I've come up with that maybe you can add to your own planner. So, because your planner should be really, it's for you. So it's like you should have it personalized toward you. So some of the things are things that I wouldn't do, but they may be something that you can try or that you can do. In my own planner, this one here is the mini. It's the one I use most often just because I am not very busy and it does allow me to fill space easier. And then my other one, I will be using a classic, and it's the teacher planner, but I have kind of modified it to just be like a regular planner. So you guys can kind of see two different ways of like, okay, here's a smaller one, here's a larger one. You can do this with any kind of planner. It does not have to be a happy planner. That's just what I use. But I mean, you can use it with any planner that you have. Let's jump down to it. So this is my planner here. And before I even want to get started on everything, if you follow me on Instagram or anywhere else, you'll know that, or like where I post my planner pictures, or if you follow my plan with me as I do on this channel, you will know that I'm not a very big person on like filling up the whole page with stickers and crap. So it's okay to have white space. So as you will see when we jump in, you will see that it's okay. Like you don't need to fill every single crevice and corner with something, okay? For one thing, I find it too chaotic, and I don't know how you can even find your plans that way. But the first thing I was gonna show you guys, let me show you mine. So this is my planner here. This is the mini. So like I said, I like the smaller one just because I don't have to fill up as much space. And one of the big things that I use my planner for is to-do lists. So I don't really put a lot of appointments in because I don't really have a lot, because like I said, I'm just not really that busy because I don't have kids and stuff, so I don't have to worry about all that stuff. And then I keep all my teacher stuff in a different planner. So you'll see that I use a lot of to-do lists. So one of your big things that you can use, and even in your planner, is a to-do list. Let me show you guys what I did here. This one here, I took the classic size. So as you can see, there quite a bit of difference in the sizes if you're not familiar with them. The teacher one has the dates going down the side. I just flipped them, but the dates at the top, like a typical vertical happy planner would look like. And vertical usually has like 3 spaces, but this one has more because of the number of days. If you wanted to do a to-do list, let's just say you want to do a to-do list on this, and let's go ahead and plug some of those in here. And let's see, I like to have my to-do list at the top, but you can put yours anywhere you want. And let me see if I have a to-do list sticker. There we go. Okay. Let's say we do this one here. So on Monday, I'll have a to-do list. And so then you can just put your bubbles. Anyway, like I said, it's just super quick. Just giving you guys ideas. So, and then you can plug them on to different days if you need to. Let's say you want to do, like I like to do my to-do lists on every single day. I don't use it every single day, but I like to put it in there. But you can do the same thing. So like, as you can see, that was last week, this week here, again, and I just hand wrote those ones. So I mean, like, you don't have to do something fancy, you don't have to have the stickers and stuff, but so you can use to-do lists. That's one of my big ones. Another one, you can plan your social media on it. So let's say on Mondays, I always have a podcast that comes out. So I'll just fill that in. Monday, I have a podcast. You could track maybe even like your Instagram when you have Instagram posts that come up, or when you want to post on Facebook, or when you want to post to your blog, or whatever you have, if you have social media stuff. So that's another one you can use, social media. Another one we can do is meal plans. So you can plan out your meals. And these stamps here, the Happy Planner stamps, I got them from Hobby Lobby. I don't think I've used these ones yet, actually. I have another one I used, but not this one. Okay, so let's say you want to do meal planning. So right here I have one that says meal plan. And I'm going to use my bottom box for my meal plan. And if you have stickers, you can use stickers. If you just want to handwrite your meal plans, that's also fine. If you're a planner, you use it the way you need to. Tuesday we'll have tacos, Taco Tuesday. Wednesday we'll have, I don't know, chicken and dumplings. Okay, so there you go. You can plan out your meals. You can use it as a fitness tracker, so maybe you want to keep track of your walking. And then like other things you can do if you're like tracking your walks or something, you can do how many miles you did or those kind of things. Like maybe you can write down how many calories you lost if you're doing some kind of fitness stuff. You can also keep track of, like I said, your food. You can keep track of television shows. So maybe on Wednesday you're gonna watch The Masked Singer. So I'll draw a little TV here. So you can doodle on your planner if you need to. Okay. So we'll say Masked Singer. Okay. So you can track your television shows. You can track mental health. So maybe if you are having days where you're like happy or sad days, you can use like smiley faces and things. I know some of the stickers you can use have these kind of things on them. It's like little emojis you can use. So maybe you were having a good day one day, and then I don't know, on Tuesday was a sad day. I didn't put a lot on Tuesday at all, did I? Let's say maybe that's why you didn't get anything done, because you were having a rough day. So you can do that. And then maybe you can use it as a journal, so you can write down how you were feeling. The weather. Me feel sad. I did not get a lot done. That is okay. Okay, so maybe you have a day where, you know, you're just not feeling it. So we can do some little decoration up here. So like, just don't even worry about, you don't have to have appointments for every single thing. Like your calendar doesn't, or your planner does not need to be full of everything. It doesn't have to just, you can just fill it with whatever you need. You don't have to just fill it with appointments. You can write down, you know, important events, items or things like that. Any appointments, of course, you can write down inside there. One of them you can do is silly holidays. So let's see what we have for silly holidays this week. National. And I'm just typing in Google holidays. So let's see we're gonna do May, and it has 40 things inside of it. So May 4th was Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you, of course. So you can write that down. Of course, it was Cinco de Mayo. May 5th was also National Hoagie Day and National Teacher Day. So like there's a lot of holidays you can just add if you want to have funny holidays onto your planner. So, you know, you can always add those. I'm not gonna add that, but I'm just telling you as you can add that. Let's see, you can use it as a memory planner, so not only as a journal, you can write down a memory. So let's say the 6th you had lunch. Oops. With Sally. I don't know who Sally is, but. And so you can say, ate too much and laughed a lot. So yeah, so you can write, you know, again, my writing wasn't very good because I was writing really quick. You can just add in little fun little things that maybe you do. You can journal in it, memory plan. Yeah, fun little decorations, doodles. And just remember, like, white space is okay, but if you don't want that much white space, guess what? You can always pull out some kind of stickers you can use. So let's do so let's say, okay, I'm gonna do this Get It Girl because I'm never gonna use that anywhere else. So like on this day here, even though we were feeling sad, I just went ahead and threw on a Get It Girl because we're gonna get it that day. So you can add just stickers to fill in the white spaces that you might have if you don't want to have white space. Right now, sticker. So again, sorry, my dogs are barking. So again, you can just add whatever you need to. So track your fitness, track meals, track your mental health, use national holidays, track social media, fill it with quote stickers. You know, or you can find a quote online if you're really good at doing that, you know, nice calligraphy writing and stuff. Find quotes online that you can add. So, memory plan, track television shows, track your workouts, track your meals. So lots of stuff you can add to it. I hope that helps you guys kind of feel more comfortable with using your planners when you're not very busy or when the world has been canceled, as we are in now. So, this was super fast, so like, not a true representation of how well I can plan, but it would just, you know, use the space that you have, but don't feel like you have to fill up every single piece of it. I mean, like, obviously I have white space. Could I put stuff there? I could. If you're wanting to, you can put some washi tape or something there. You can keep it simple. It's okay. You don't need to fill every single space, but if you are one of those people that do, there's still plenty of room for you. You can still add stuff to it. And I'm not super busy, but I'm tracking things on the planner. So I think what's one of the biggest things right now is you can track things with it. So, you know, track your mental health, track food, track your fitness, you can track television shows, you can track your social media, you can create to-do lists with it. So there's just a lot of things. You can track the weather even if you're into wanting to know what the weather was like last week. You can go back and look and be like, oh yeah, last week it was raining. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the little bell notification to get notified every single time I post. Follow me on all of my social media that's listed down below, especially Instagram. I post there quite a bit. And until next time, please don't forget to always be you. Bye.